The 2008 Ford F-150. This is a Super Crew cab pickup truck with a 5.5-foot bed, powered by a 5.4-liter V8 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This vehicle is well equipped. This Ford features alloy wheels, bed liner, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.